Every website leaves behind a security footprint. One URL, one scan, a complete security snapshot. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking a website under the microscope to discover what security measures are missing, what risk they could introduce, and the steps you can take to fix them. Let's get started. Let's start by creating a new folder for our project. I'll name it Sec Analyzer. Keeping every file inside its own directory makes the project much easier to manage. cd Sec Analyzer to move inside the project directory. The next step is creating a Python virtual environment. If you are new to Python, think of this as a dedicated workspace for this project. It keeps all the required libraries separate from the rest of the operating system, preventing version conflicts and making the project much easier to maintain. Once the environment is created, we will activate it with source vnv bin slash activate. Now the terminal shows vnv at the beginning of the prompt. Type pip install request rich python nmap dns python to install the libraries that power our analyzer. Request handles communication with websites. Rich creates the colorful interface you're about to see. Python Nmap allows our script to interact with Nmap for service detection, and DNS Python helps retrieve DNS records. Together, these libraries provide everything we need to build a clean and informative website security analyzer. Download speed may depends upon your system configuration and the speed of the internet. Time to clear the screen. Type nanosecanalyzer.py to create the main Python file. Instead of spreading the project across multiple files, everything is contained inside this single script, making it easier to understand and perfect for beginners following along. Paste the script. Link of this script is in the description. The code we are pasting is divided into separate functions, with each function responsible for one specific task. This modular approach makes the program much easier to read, debug, and extend later. Instead of writing one massive block of code, we separate features like domain resolution, port scanning, HTTP analysis, security headers, inspection, SSL certificates, DNS lookups, and score calculation into their own dedicated sections. Once all the information has been collected, the analyzer combines everything into a professional report. Control O, enter, Control X. Now time to run the program. Python 3 sec analyzer.py. If everything has been configured correctly, the analyzer will launch, display its interface, and prompt us to enter a website or an IP address for the analysis. Perfect. For our first demonstration, we are using badssl.com. This website is intentionally designed to showcase different SSL and HTTPS configuration, making it an excellent target for testing security analysis tools. As always, use this tool like this only in a controlled environment or on websites and systems that you own. The analyzer first revolves the domain name to its IP address before moving on to the HTTP and SSL analysis. Now, looking at the results, we can immediately see which security headers are present and which ones are missing. These headers play an important role in protecting website against common browser-based attacks such as clickjacking and cross-site scripting. Missing headers don't automatically indicate that the website is vulnerable, but they do highlight areas where the security configuration can be strengthened. It also displays SSL certificate information, including the issuer, validity period, remaining days before expiration, DNS records, and the risk factor. Time to clear the screen. Let's check another one, python sec analyzer.py. Enter website, it's testphp.com. Hit enter, resolving target, operating system, SSL certificate, and here we have the results. As you can see, security score is 60 out of 100. Recommendations, CSP missing, extreme options, permission policy is also missing. Here are the ports. Again, the risk is very high. Score is 60 out of 100. Time to clear the screen. Let's check the last one, python secanalyzer.py. Enter website. This time we are going to check nmap.org. Hit enter, DNS resolution, detecting services, DNS records, and here we have the result. The security score is critical, it's 35 out of 100. Implement referral policy header, value headers as a missing. These are the ports. Risk critical. Again, the score is 35. Understanding a website security posture does not always require complex tools. Having the right approach and knowing what to look for makes all the difference. If you have any question about this tool, you are always welcome to ask. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.